Hey y'all, Scott Ferguson here, cooking with Fergy. Today we're reheating one of my burgers. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so first we get the burger. We got a wet paper towel. We've got the bacon onion relish that we made on an earlier video. We got that mozzarella cheddar cheese on top. Now we are going to place the bowl. Just like that. And then that goes in the microwave for 60 seconds. And at the same time, we will be pushing down the buns. Stay tuned. All right, folks, let's see what we got here. We got our brioche buns toasted. We have got our masterpiece. Shredded cheese is melted down through the bacon and the burger. A little lettuce. Go with our burger. We're gonna mix the mayonnaise and the chow chow together. I always drain my chow chow. Drain out the extra fluid in it. Alright folks, and today, no tomato. We're out of tomato. But look at that. I mean to tell you, we're looking at 2 minutes now. Let's look at this thing. So I stopped cooking them just short of done so that when I reheated them, we'd still have a little pink in there. Oh yeah. Alright guys. Here it is. I'm telling you what, the wet paper towel and just the undercooked burger, since it was all planned that way, you can have a hot off the grill burger every time if you do it like this. Scott Ferguson, things like that, cooking with Fergie, summertime burgers. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned.